What I have here is a Parkerized heat shield off of a Spaz 12 shotgun, and I'll be showing you today how to remove the rust from the pitting to prevent further damage. Now, the previous owner didn't oil it properly, which is crucial to Parkerization. When it's not oiled, moisture will get under the finish, pit it, and it will rust out. What we're going to do today is we're going to remove the rust from the pits, and then we're going to oil it properly so that the heat shield doesn't become further damaged. You can't fix the pitting, but you can prevent it from getting worse. We're going to be using this CLR calcium line, and particularly rust, to remove the rust. I have a little bin of it set up here, a 50% chemical to 50% water, and I have a stainless steel wire brush I'll be using to scrub it off with. In the sink here, I have water mixed with some Simple Green as a detergent to help clean it when I'm done and make sure it's degreased before we bake it and oil it. So this is partly done with a heat shield. What I want to show you here is what it looked like before we started. As you can see there with the pitting, there's quite a bit of rust in there. And what we did is we just cleaned the rust out, and that'll prevent further damage to the Parkerized finish. As I flip it around, you'll see the pitting still there, and the rust, of course, is gone. Now what we can do is bake it, make sure it's dry, and oil it properly. Make sure you keep a good amount of oil on your Parkerized finish to keep your firearms in good condition. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll leave links to any tools I used, and thank you very much for watching.